Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I'm not gonna be doing a hair tutorial. I'm gonna switch it up on you guys, and I'm gonna be doing a beauty tutorial. A company called ANAIRUI sent me this turmeric clay mask for me to review for you guys. Now this clay mask is an anti-aging, anti-acne, brightening clay mask. You can find this clay mask on Amazon.com as well as ANAIRUICare.com. On both sites, it should be $16.95. Hopefully some of you guys can relate. If you guys take a closer look to my face, I have these tiny little dots. I am a pimple popper, so whenever I get a bump on my face, I immediately pop it and pick it until it starts to bleed. And of course, eventually it starts to scab, and that scab turns into these dark spots over time. So I'm really hoping that this turmeric clay mask does everything it promises down below. I honestly think that I might try this product for 5 days before I really let you guys know how I feel about it, because I don't think that one day is enough for me to see a result. But I will let you guys know how day one feels. And I think I'm gonna record the entire process from day 1 to day 5 and let you guys really know what I think about this product. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this product on camera. I haven't opened it, and as always, I like to give you guys an honest review, so let's open this.
You, I fear not. Phases of life faces, huh? Every day they keep changing, huh?
Before I open up this box, I'm gonna go over a few of these words that's listed over here on the side of the box. So it says that it's pH balanced. It has no SLS. No SLS is sodium lauryl sulfate. It's a product that strips your skin of all of its natural oils. Non-comedogenic is a product that clogs up your pores, so this does not clog up your pore. It's for all skin types. It's paraben free and it's hypoallergenic. I'm kind of happy that it's hypoallergenic because I have a very sensitive skin and my skin breaks out at the littlest things. Like, I have yet to find a face product that doesn't make my skin break out. And it's also not tested on animals. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. Wait, let me show you guys the box first. All right. It comes with a mini face applicator, which I thought was pretty cool because most face masks do not come with this. You have to use your fingers to apply the face mask. This is what the container looks like. It's a small little container. So the instructions and the ingredients are on the box and the container. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys.
I'm glad we're still here. Good. Was sad to see you leave it.
Feels pretty thick. All right, so it says after cleansing, apply a small amount evenly onto face. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes to dry completely, and then gently remove and rinse face with warm water. So I've already cleansed my face before I started this video, which explains why my face looks so ashy. I didn't apply moisturizer or anything to my face. I just washed it with my cleanser milk. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right now. It's cold.
Ice cream, my mom's sweater. Late nights, my palms with her. Umbrellas for teardrops. I love you, I fear not. Phases of life faces, huh? Every day they keep changing, huh? We just gotta stay patient, huh? We ain't made love in ages, damn. This that dad of the year, right? This is what I dream for, right? This they take the kids inside to practice, everybody scream, that goes right. You ain't gotta check my Twitter now. You can stop acting bitter now. It's that natural feeling now. So you can't trust the filter now.
Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I got carried away applying this. It felt good applying it. It's very smooth, but I got an itch. Okay, so I really didn't use too much, so this might last a while. Most of my clay masks actually last. This is definitely gonna last till day 5. There's a lot left in here. I barely used a lot. The instructions say to leave this mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Since my skin is very sensitive, I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes and see where that takes me. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. All right, so you guys, so I ended up doing the whole 20 minutes instead of 15 minutes because my face wasn't completely dry. It is dry right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face off, and I'll be back when my face is completely rinsed off. Y'all, my upper lip is itching. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, but my face feels real smooth. My face feels soft. I normally break out from every little product, and like this really feels good. My face feels soft, and like it said, like it literally did not take any of my natural oils. My face feels good. I'm not gonna hype this product up for nothing, but it's real good. I can't stop touching my face. This feels so good. I really didn't think that there would be a difference after just using it for one day. I'm still gonna do this for the next 4 days, just to see if my black dots starts to clear up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2.
The smoke is disappearing, exposed our broken feelings. I don't know how we got here, but boy, I'm glad we're still here. Good. Was sad to see you leaving. You had your reasons. I don't know how we got here, but I wouldn't be going through the phases, baby, and we've been acting crazy lately. And I just wanna let you know that all these feelings come and go. Been going through the phases, baby, and I can feel the times are changing. And I just wanna let you know that everyone goes through these phases, baby.
Ice cream, my mom's sweater. Late nights, my palms with her. Umbrellas for teardrops. I love you, I fear not. Phases of life faces, huh? Every day they keep changing, huh? We just gotta stay patient, huh? We ain't made love in ages, damn. This that dad of the year, right? This is what I dream for, right? This they take the kids aside to practice, everybody scream, that's goes right. You ain't gotta check my Twitter now. You can stop acting bitter now. It's that natural feeling now. So you can't trust the filter now.
officially day 5, but I don't know if you guys see my skin, but my skin looks like it's glowing, and I'm not talking about because of this ring light, but my skin looks like it's glowing, like, and it feels so soft, you guys. Like, today's day 5 and my face still feels soft. It's been feeling soft since I put this mask on. I'm not gonna make this mask sound like what it isn't, but it is. This mask might be something. It might be something for the long run. This mask is definitely giving what it said it was gonna give: brightness, anti-acne, and anti-aging. One thing I can definitely say is that it brightens up your face. I've only been using this for 5 days, but I'm sure in the long run it'll make my face look a lot brighter. I've never been the one to really struggle with acne, so I can't really say anything on that behalf, but I feel like this mask is a go. And you guys, like, it's a small mask, but it can last you a long time. But this concludes this video, you guys. The information for this mask will be down below in my description box. If you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below.